Hello YouTube.
Your face.
My name is some dude. I'm a dude. You don't have to worry about my name. And I'm gonna be doing a lot of tutorials for you guys. Stop it! You would do that, wouldn't you?
It fell.
Yeah, it
Dude,
fell.
bro, stop,
grabbed
dude,
it like
dang.
this.
Feel like you were shaking.
Like, stop.
I did nothing like this. And
Dude, he said we're gonna make a serious
I
video
did. I
now.
hit this on accident. It shook.
Alright, so I really love parkour and I love it so much I want to teach other people. You may see a lot of these guys right here in my shots. Okay? Get out of the shot, not that close.
Hey.
You'll see them a lot in the shots. So whenever I'm making tutorials, don't be like, who's that random guy? They'll be there. They'll sometimes help me with tutorials. So just to let you know, I'm making a new YouTube channel. No haters. I'm just here to teach parkour and free running and give.
No haters. No haters.
You are a hater. So thank you, YouTube. Goodbye.